Happy morning, students. Today we are going to see 7th Standard Max Term 2 Measurements. In measurements, we are going to see circle. Circle is a round plane figure whose boundary, which is the circumference, consists of point equidistant from the fixed point O. That O is called center of the circle. Here we have radius and diameter. Now first we will see radius. Radius means it's a line segment joining the center O to any point on the circumference of the circle, and normally it is denoted by small letter r. Now diameter. Diameter is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference and which should be passing through the center. Okay, and it is denoted by the small letter d. Now in the first exercise we are going to discuss about the circumference. Now let me see. All circles are similar to one another, so the ratio of the circumference to that of diameter is a constant. That is, we can write circumference by diameter is equal to constant. That constant we can say pi. So we have c by d is equal to pi, and substituting d value is equal to 2r, we will get the circumference c is equal to 2 pi r units. Now we will start the exercise. Exercise 2.1, first problem. Find the missing values in the following table for the circles with radius r, diameter d and circumference c. The first question, radius is 15 centimeter is given. We are going to find diameter and circumference. You know well, diameter is equal to 2r. So first we have to find diameter using 2r. Okay, so d is equal to 2 into r. So 2 into 15 is equal to 30 centimeter. Now we need to find circumference. Circumference c is equal to, we have a formula 2 pi r, or we can apply pi d. If you know d, then we can apply pi d formula. Otherwise, you can apply 2 pi r. Here we are going to apply circumference formula pi d. Okay, so we have the value of pi and d. Just substitute the value. Pi is equal to 22 by 7 and d is equal to 30 centimeter. So now we have 22 by 7 into 30. So 22 into 30 we have 660 and divide by 7, which is equal to 94.28 centimeter. In the same way we are going to find the second one. In the second one, circumference is given. We are going to find diameter and radius. In this case also we can apply any one of the formula, which is that is pi d or 2 pi r you can apply. Here we have to find r and d, so just we can apply 2 pi r. Okay, so write the formula first. 2 pi r, which is equal to 1760 is given. So 2 pi r is equal to 1760. Now substitute the value of pi, which is equal to 22 by 7. So just write 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 1760. Now we need to find r value, so just keep it in the same side and bring the remaining terms to the right side. Now we have 760 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. When we cancel these two terms, that is numerator and denominator, we will get 280 centimeter. Now we have to find diameter. We know well diameter is equal to 2r. Already we have r is equal to 280 centimeter. Just substitute into that. Diameter is equal to 2r. So 2 into 280, which is equal to 560 centimeter. Now third question, diameter d is equal to 24 is given. We are going to find radius and circumference. Now we know well r is equal to d by 2. So just substituting into that, 24 by 2 is equal to 12 meter. So radius we got 12 meter. Now come to the circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r units. Again you just substitute the given values. we can get circumference. Here 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into r we found already, it's 12. So into 12, when we multiply all the numerator and divide that by the denominator 7, we will get 75.4 meter as the circumference. Now second question, diameters of different circles are given below, find the circumference. Okay, and then take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Now first question, d is equal to 70 centimeter is given. Here we are going to apply pi d formula because diameter is given, so directly we can apply pi d. So just substitute the values given in the question. Pi is equal to 22 by 7 into d is equal to 70. So 22 by 7 into 70, which is equal to 22 into, and then the denominator 7 and numerator 70 will be cancelled. We will get 10. So 22 into 10, we get the answer, 220 centimeter. Now come to the second subdivision. Diameter is equal to 56 meter. Again just apply the formula pi d for circumference. Just substitute 22 by 7 into 56. Just cancel 56 and 7. You will get 8. So 22 into 8, you can get 176 meter. Okay. And come to the third subdivision. Diameter is equal to 28 millimeter. Okay, again the same formula, pi d, 22 by 7 into 28, cancel 7 and 28, you will get 4. So 22 into 4, 88 millimeter. Now third question, find the circumference of the circles whose radii are given below. Here we have two subdivisions. Radius given, you just find the circumference. In this case we are going to apply circumference z is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so for the first problem, r is equal to 49 centimeter is given. Just write the formula first. C is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into r is given as 49. Now you can cancel 49 and 7. We will get 7. So 2 into 22 into 7, we can get 308 centimeter. The same way we are going to do the second subdivision. Radius r is equal to 91 millimeter is given. Again write the formula. C is equal to 2 pi r. Just substitute the values. 2 into 22 by 7 into 91. Again cancel 91 and 7. You can get 13. So 2 into 22 into 13 is equal to 44 into 13, which is equal to 572 millimeter. Okay children, I hope you all understood the problems. Thank you.